Cryptocurrencies are valuable, but the market fluctuations tend to be a pain that has many investors turning their backs on the crypto industry. In the past 3 years, Bitcoin's value has risen more than 1,000%. The coin has also seen huge drops in value over that period. Price fluctuations like these are simply too much for some investors to bear. This is where stablecoins enter the picture. The coins are cryptocurrencies that have their values pegged to another asset such as the US dollar, a commodity, or even other cryptocurrencies. This keeps the price of the currency more stable. The idea of stablecoins was first proposed in a white paper published online by J.R. Willett in 2012. Since their inception, they've taken off. The world's stablecoins have a combined market cap of more than $150 billion, making them a viable crypto market. Hello everyone and welcome back to the Metaverse Economy channel. In this video, I'm going to share the best stablecoins that are blowing up the crypto industry right now. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to catch more videos like this. Before we delve into the best stablecoins for every crypto investor, let's recap on what stablecoins are and how they work. What are stablecoins? A stablecoin is a type of cryptocurrency whose value is pegged to another asset class, such as a fiat currency or gold, to stabilize its price. The advantage of stablecoins is that they are built to withstand volatility in a way that other cryptocurrencies aren't. Additionally, they can offer mobility and accessibility. Think of it as a more stable cryptocurrency that is decentralized. This implies that it is not tied to a centralized system or agency. This, in turn, grants it autonomy. Cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin and Ether offer a number of benefits, and one of the most fundamental is not requiring trust in an intermediary institution to send payments, which opens up their use to anyone around the globe. But one key drawback is that cryptocurrencies' prices are unpredictable and have a tendency to fluctuate, often wildly. This makes them hard for everyday people to use. Generally, people expect to be able to know how much their money will be worth a week from now, both for their security and their livelihood. Cryptocurrencies' unpredictability comes in contrast to the generally stable prices of fiat money, such as US dollars or other assets such as gold. Values of currencies like the dollar do change gradually over time, but the day-to-day changes are often more drastic for cryptocurrencies, which rise and fall in value regularly. Stablecoins try to tackle price fluctuations by tying the value of cryptocurrencies to other more stable assets, usually fiat currencies. Fiat is the government-issued currency we're all used to using on a day-to-day basis, such as dollars or euros. That's just about every good reason why stablecoins make for a wise investment decision if you're considering crypto investing. So, what are the best stablecoins to go for? 1. Tether. Originally founded in 2014 as Real Coin, Tether sits rightfully atop the list of stablecoins as the first such coin in the world. And with an $83 billion market cap, it's also the largest by far. First described in a white paper published in 2012, Tether is a fiat-based stablecoin. In other words, each coin is about equal to the value of $1 held by the parent company Tether Operations Limited. This means the coins can always be exchanged for an equal value in US dollars. 2. DAI. According to Maker DAO white paper on the company's DAI stablecoin, DAI is generated, backed and kept stable by the use of Ethereum-based currency deposited into Maker DAO vaults. This deposited cryptocurrency then works as collateral for whenever a user wants to withdraw DAI currency. And because the deposited cryptocurrencies are worth more than the US dollar, Maker DAO can keep its stablecoin pegged loosely to the US dollar at a 1-to-1 ratio. This theory was so exciting to some investors that in September 2018, less than a year after the currency launched, venture capital firm Andreessen Horowitz invested $15 million in Maker DAO. This bought 6% of all the company's existing tokens at the time. This institutional investment also helps keep the coin's value stable. Even though industry experts consider DAI slightly more volatile than Tether, it still ranks as a low-risk currency. 3. Binance USD. The next contender for best stablecoin with a market cap of more than $17 billion, Binance USD, or BUSD, is the third largest stablecoin in the world. In August 2020, BUSD was greenlisted by the New York State Department of Financial Services. For investors in the coin, this means 4 things. First, Paxos Trust Co. Binance's partner behind BUSD has sufficient reserves to cover every BUSD coin in existence. Second, regulators watch over the reserves backing these coins. Third, all reserves must be held in credible forms such as U.S. Treasury instruments and Federal Deposit Insurance Corp-insured bank accounts. And finally, token reserves are fully separate from corporate assets. This means they're separate from any holdings Paxos might declare in bankruptcy filings, which makes the coins even more secure for investors. It's no surprise, then, that BUSD is ranked as low risk. 4. Shroom USD. TrueUSD or TUST was the first regulated stablecoin backed by the US dollar. Of course, the keyword in that statement is regulated. Regulations were put in place for TUST because Trust Token Inc., the exchange that issues TrueUSD, wanted to secure the trust of the cryptocurrency industry by rooting out fraudulent and manipulative schemes. Therefore, TrueUSD is a relatively transparent coin with a market cap of about $1.3 billion. TUST reserves are fully audited by Cohen & Company, a cryptocurrency audit and tax firm. Trust Token doesn't charge any trading fees on its TUST coins, which is enticing to many investors. Trust Token isn't fully decentralized, however, and users are bound to the standards of the Trust Token platform. In other words, regulatory actions on the Trust Token platform will affect holders of TUST. 5. USD Coin, founded in conjunction with cryptocurrency exchange Coinbase Global Inc. and Bitcoin mining company Bitmain Technologies Inc., USD Coin or USDC, like many of the coins included on this stablecoins list, is tied to the US dollar. Released in September 2018, USDC has a current market cap of more than $49 billion, making it the second largest stablecoin by market cap. USDC reserves are attested to on a monthly basis by Grant Thornton, LLP, a Chicago-based accounting firm. Although the reserves are attested to, they aren't audited. This means the firm will check the validity of existing data, but it won't audit for internal inconsistencies. Although the coin's volatility ranking is slightly higher than industry leader Tether's, USDC is still considered a low-risk cryptocurrency. 6. Digix Gold Token, DGX. DGX works differently than the other coins included on this list of stablecoins. For this reason, it is considered to have a higher risk rating than those previously mentioned. DGX is rated as a medium-risk coin, meaning the price may be more volatile, but it's still not likely to be manipulated. The reason for DGX's increased volatility is that it isn't pegged to a fiat currency. Instead, each DGX coin is redeemable for 1 gram of gold. This means the coin's price depends on the price of gold. As gold's price fluctuates, so does the price of DGX. Although this makes the currency more volatile, it's attractive to many investors who believe in the power of hard assets. There are 58,000 DGX coins in existence, and the coin's market cap is valued at about $15 billion. Stablecoins are your typical money minters. In this, they are unlike Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other crypto players, but they are more dependable assets and the least volatile. This makes them a good option if you want a passive income and blockchain technology to speed up peer-to-peer payments and transactions. Remember to always do your own research before investing in any stablecoin to ensure you get the best profits. Thanks for watching. If you found this video useful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.